Do you know how to tackle these AQA trig value questions, which pretty much always come up on the non-calculator higher tier paper? So we've got here 4 times sine 30 times tan 30 times cos 30 is the same thing as writing sin y. Work out one possible value of y. Okay, don't worry necessarily about the question so far, kind of ignore this bit for now. Let's just focus on the left-hand side and let's input all of our trig values that we should have memorized by now. So we've got 4 times sine 30 is a half, times tan 30, which is root 3 over 3, times cos 30, which is root 3 over 2. Now let's multiply all of this. 4 as a whole number can be written as 4 over 1, so now we have at least got all fractions. Multiplying the numerators, we get 4, technically root 9, or you can just write it straight as cancelling out to become 3 as a whole number, and then the denominator, 2 times 3 is 6, times 2 again is 12. So that gives us 12 over 12, which 12 divided by 12 is obviously 1. That will be the majority of the marks. Now we need to worry about what they actually meant. They said that all of that is equal to sine y, so sine of the angle y. So thinking of our trig values, or you could think of the sine graph. This is our sine graph more or less, isn't it? We're basically saying, what is this value here? Where it's equal to 1. So hopefully you know that from the graph, or you might just know it from knowing your trig values. That is 90 degrees. So work out one possible value of y. Well, the angle is 90 degrees, isn't it? The only reason why they've said one possible value is because technically the sine graph does carry on to infinity. So if you were to go across at 1, you would find another answer here. You would also find answers in the negative region. So there are multiple angles for when sine y equals 1. They've just asked for one of those. Obviously the most obvious one is 90. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the GCSE Maths Pro YouTube channel where you can find full videos going through everything that we've just seen.